Hello viewers, in today's lecture we are going to solve some important problems on application of integrals. So here let us take the first question. Here we have to find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube and the x-axis and the ordinates x equal to -2 and x equal to 1, right? So here we are given the curve y is equal to x cube, then we have x-axis. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0 and the ordinates x equal to -2 and x is equal to 1, right? So here actually we are given four things, right? This is the cubic curve, this is the x-axis, this is a line x equal to -2 parallel to y-axis, and x equal to 1 is again a line which is parallel to y-axis, right? So let us take here 1, here we have 2, and here we have -1, and here we have -2, right? Okay, now let us draw a rough sketch of y is equal to x cube. Now here's this curve can be a rough sketch can be drawn like this, and this is the rough sketch, and now this is the rough sketch of y is equal to x cube, and here we have y equal to 0. This is the line y is equal to 0, and for x equal to -2 this is the line x equal to -2, which is parallel to y-axis, and x equal to 1 is the line parallel to y-axis, right? Okay, so now we have to find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube, the x-axis, and the ordinates x equal to -2 and x equal to 1, right? So here we have the region. So this is the region or the area. The shaded area is our required area which is to be calculated, right? So this area is to be calculated. So we know that the area, the shaded area is from -2 to 0, right? From -2 to 0, and we have y dx, right? Because we know that the area is given by a to b, y dx, and here we have the limits from -2 to 0 and y dx, but here we have to see that this y is in the direction of negative y-axis, so here we have to put a minus sign, right? And then we have to add the area from 0 to 1, right? And here we have y dx, right? So the shaded area is the sum of this area and this area. The area this area is from -2 to 0 minus y dx plus 0 to 1 y dx, right? Now viewers, here for this region we have the elementary strip like this, and for here the elementary strip is like this, right? So we have to first calculate this integral. So this integral can be written as minus 2 to 0, we take this negative sign outside, and for y we can write here x cube dx, plus here we have 0 to 1, and again for y we can write x cube dx. Clear? Now this integral is x raised to 4 by 4. We have minus 2, here we have 0, and again we have here x raised to 4 divided by 4, 0 to 1. Now here we can write this is 0, because if we substitute 0 here we get 0, then we have minus, and we have minus 2 raised to 4 divided by 4, plus we have 1 here, 1 raised to 4 divided by 4 minus 0, right? Now this can be written as minus 2 raised to 4 is 16 by 4, that is 4, minus 4 and minus plus, so we have 4, and here we have 1 over 4, so this is 16 plus 1 divided by 4, that is 17 by 4. So the area, this shaded area is equal to 17 by 4 square units, right? So this is how we calculate with the help of integration this shaded area. Now viewers, let us take this problem. Here we have to find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x multiplied the mod of x, and x-axis, the x-axis is actually y is equal to 0, and the ordinates x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. So again here we have 4 equations, and this is equation 3, and then we have equation 4, right? Okay, so this is y is equal to 0, and this is the line which is parallel to y-axis, and this is also a line which is parallel to x-axis, right? Now using the definition of mod function, this equation 1, that is y is equal to x times mod of x, can be written as so y can be written as x times x, that is x square, when x is greater than or equal to 0, right? And x times mod of x can also be written as x times minus x equal to minus x square if x is less than 0, right? So viewers, now we have 2 equations here. First is y is equal to x square when x is greater than or equal to 0, and y is equal to minus x square where x is less than 0. Now this is a parabola, and this is also a parabola, right? Okay, so y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square is a parabola like this, and y is equal to minus x square is a parabola like this. Clear? Okay. So these are the 2 rough sketches of y is equal to x square, and this is y is equal to minus x square. So this is an upward parabola, and this is a downward or inverted parabola, and here we have to find the area bounded by the curve. Now this curve is reduced to 2 parabolas, and x-axis is y is equal to 0, and the ordinates x equal to minus 1. So where is minus 1? Say minus 1 is here. Say minus 1. And x equal to 1 and say x is 1 is here, right? Okay, so we have to find the area. So for x is equal to minus 1, because here we have x is less than 0, so x is minus 1, minus 1 is less than 0, so y is minus of minus 1 square, that is minus 1. So y is minus 1, so here we have minus 1, right? So we have the curve, the line like this. This is the line, and here we have minus 1, right? Okay, and for x is equal to 1, since 1 is greater than 0, so we have y is equal to 1 square, this is equal to 1, so the point is 1 comma 1, here the point is minus 1 comma minus 1. So here x is 1, so y is also 1, so let us say this is the line, y is equal to 1, right? So this is this is x is equal to 1 line, and this is x is equal to minus 1 line, and we are to find this area, right? We are to find this area. So viewers, this is 0, and this axis is here we have minus 1, this is y axis, and we have to calculate the shaded area, right? We have to calculate the shaded area, and the shaded area is from minus 1 to 0, and here we have y dx, and since y is in the direction of negative y axis, so here we have minus y plus we have 0 to 1, right? From 0 to 1, and this is y dx, because the area is given by a to b y dx, and here the strips are like this. See, here the strips are drawn like this, here also the strip is like this. Okay, so now we have to calculate these two integrals. So we have minus 1 to 0, and here we have minus. For y we have see, from minus 1 to 0 the value of x is less than 0, so we have here minus x square, and this is dx, plus 0 to 1, and for y we have x square, right? So we have x square dx. So here the negative sign is due to the fact that the y is in negative direction, or the area is lying below x-axis, that's why we have the negative sign. And for y we can have minus x square, because from minus 1 to 0 we have x less than 0, and here this is from 0 to 1, and for y we have x square, and this area is lying above x-axis. So this can be written as this integral can now be written as minus 1 to 0 minus minus plus, we have x square dx, then we have plus 0 to 1, and this is x square dx, right? Now this integral is equal to x cube by 3. We have minus 1 to 0, then we have here we have x cube by 3, it is 0 to 1. So when we substitute 0 here, we get 0, then we have minus sign, then we have minus 1 cube divided by 3 plus here we have 1 cube by 3 minus 0, right? 0 cube by 3. So now this is minus 1 cube is minus 1 and minus 1 is plus 1. So we have 1 over 3. Here also we have 1 over 3. So this is 2 by 3 square units, right? So viewers, the area, the shaded area, the sum of these two areas is equal to 2 by 3 square units. Now viewers, let us take this problem. Here we have to find the area of the region bounded by the two parabolas y is equal to x square and y square is equal to x. And here y is equal to x square is this parabola. This is y is equal to x square and this is y square is equal to x. And now we have to find this area, right? We have to find this area, and this shaded area is to be calculated with the help of integrals, right? Now here we see that the point of intersection of these two parabolas, that is the point of intersection of these two parabolas can be calculated by solving these two equations, right? So if we solve these two equations, we get here if we substitute the value of y is equal to x square, then we have x square whole square is equal to x. This is x raised to 4 minus x equal to 0. So we have x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is x equal to 0 and 1. And for x equal to 0 we have y is 0, and for x equal to 1 we have y is equal to 1, right? So the first point of intersection is 0 comma 0 and the other is 1 comma 1, and this is point O and this is point say A. So this is point A, right? So this point is 1 comma 1, and from here if we draw a perpendicular and this point is say M, then the coordinates of this point M are 1 comma 0, right? 1 comma 0, and we have to find this shaded area. So the shaded area can now be given as the shaded area is equal to see here we have two strips. The first one is like this and the second one is like this, right? So the shaded area is from the limits are from 0 to 1, but here first of all I am writing the general formula, that is from A to B, and we have f of x minus g of x and dx, right? So what is f of x? F of x is this, f of x, and g of x is this, right? Okay, so f of x is y square is equal to x, and this is g of x. Okay, now a is 0 because this point is 0 comma 0, so we have from 0 to 1 because here we have 1, and for f of x we have the value of y1 and gx is the value of y2, right? Okay, now y1 is calculated from f of x or from this parabola, that is y square is equal to x. So we have 0 to 1 and here we have square root of x, because we have y square is equal to x, or we can also say y1 square is equal to x. So y1 is square root of x, and then minus y2. y2 comes from the second parabola, or the smaller strip, right? This is the smaller strip, this is the larger strip. So y2 comes from the smaller strip, and from here we have y is equal to x square can be written as y2 is equal to x square. So for y2 we have here x square and dx, right? So now the integral of square root of x is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Here we have x cube divided by 3, and we have 0 to 1. So we have 1 3 by 2. If we substitute the value of 1 here, so we have 3 by 2, and minus 1 cube by 3, and then we have minus, and if we substitute the value of 0 here, we get 0. Here also we have 0, right? Okay, so now this is 1, this is 2 by 3, this is 1 by 3. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 by 3. So the area that is between this parabola and this parabola, y equal to x square and y square equal to x, the shaded area is 1 by 3 square units.